During the winter, it is important to pay attention to your garage doors and make sure they're free from snow and ice. Why is this important, you ask? Well, for starters, snow and ice buildup can cause damage to your overhead garage door. The excessive weight can strain the door and its components, leading to potential malfunctions or even complete failure. Also, as the temperatures fluctuate from warm to cold, the snow and ice melt can go into your garage and damage items on the floor or even the trim or drywall in the garage. Furthermore, snow and ice can also seep into the cracks and crevices of your garage man door, causing them to freeze and become stuck. This is not only makes it difficult to open and close the garage door, but it can also compromise the safety and security of your home. By taking a few extra minutes to clear the snow away from your garage doors can prevent these potential issues and ensure that your doors are functioning properly. It's a small task, but can save you from costly repairs and inconvenience in the long run.